everybody, welcome back to Hobie's Mix Club. Today I'm really excited because we're going to plant our seeds. Do you remember when we planted them? Let's go and have a look at them now. Wow, they're so big.
I know, and how were they when we planted them?
Teeny weeny.
So do you know what we're going to do with them now, Hobie?
Put them in the ground.
Yeah, we're going to put them in the ground. Come on then, should we just show everybody how to do it?
Okay.
Let's go. So, Hobie, which is the first one we're going to put in the ground?
Courgette.
A courgette. And what does a courgette look like? Do you know?
That.
How did you know that? Exactly, that's a courgette. But what does it grow into?
A courgette.
What does a courgette, the vegetable, look like?
I
It's
don't
like
know.
a cucumber, isn't it? But it's big and green like a cucumber, but you cook it usually. You can eat them raw.
Ah.
So, Hobie, can you take this from me? See this?
Is it okay?
Yeah? Come
Okay.
with me.
Okay.
And you have to hold it at the bottom because of the roots. That's it. And can you put it in the ground? So you've got a very important job here.
I have to hold this
Yeah, well done.
bit
Good boy.
gently.
And put this bit into the ground first.
Ah!
And let go. Well
I fall
done. Good boy.
over.
It's alright, well done. And then what do we have to do, Hobie? Your job hasn't finished yet. No, look, do we leave the hole open?
Close it
Go on then, use your hand, just use your hand, you don't need that. Just use your hand and push the soil all around it. The courgette's going to grow quite big, so it needs some space, doesn't it? And there we go, there's one of our courgettes. Right, what are we going to put in these holes that need the canes?
Tomato.
Tomatoes. Can you tell which one's a tomato? Have a sniff. What do they smell like? Tomatoes!
Tomato.
So what you have to
I
do,
don't like the
dip it in your
tomato.
hand, and hopefully it'll come out, and then pop it in the hole. Can you do one of those?
Okay.
Go on then, you have a go. Tip it up into your hand, squeeze the pot. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Shall I squeeze it? Ready, it's coming.
Oh,
Well done. Pop it in the hole. Good boy.
Which hole?
Anyone.
Okay.
Well done. Look, all of a sudden it's gone really windy and rainy, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So we're going to let nature do all the work for us because we don't need to water it anymore, do we?
Yeah.
We hope you have fun planting your seeds into vegetables and into seedlings, and we hope they grow really well for you.
Yeah.
And remember to
Have fun in nature and to nurture.
bye!